Welcome back to another video, guys, and in today's video it's going to be a short one because it's literally just talking about the Halfords tool trolley. Not a lot to it really. So this is the tool trolley. It is pretty sturdy, like enough to put tools on and wheel it out. Two axle stands under it. I've actually put my drills there just for now because there's nowhere else to put them, and I'm currently in the middle, as you can see, of building a 3D model for the angle grinder, which is gonna sit like that. So that should look good when that's done. But yeah, it's pretty solid. You've got a handle here. You can actually mount it on either side. I've just got it on here so the Halfords logo is facing that way. And you just literally pull it along. The wheels, casters, pretty solid. Get that in shot. There we go. But yeah, it goes well with the actual Halfords tool chest. As you can see, this isn't the advanced range. This is just the normal range. That's the advanced range, which is a bit more better quality. This is like shiny metal. That's like metallic matte black. So yeah. I might actually print some more of these and like mount this here, mount that there somewhere, so it could have like two batteries. I might do the 2 battery option, which is that one, or a 3 battery, I'm not too sure yet. But with the angle grinder mount and then a battery mount, it'll be a really good trolley. I think what I might do as well is 3D print a screwdriver holder, so I could just have some screwdrivers on the side, or depending on the space, just a screwdriver holder. That's very handy to have. Saves you just throwing it all into there. You can have your sockets in there and have your screwdrivers on the side. Another thing you could do is grab your magnetic tray, shove that on there, and then you don't lose your bolts. Just grab it and then use it when you want. It's actually really good that it's metal, magnetic. Well, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. I know it's really short, but it is just a tool trolley at the end of the day. It's not fancy, but it's just good to have a video on it, because if you're thinking about buying one, yeah, get to Halfords and grab yourself one. They do cost about 60 quid, but they might go up or down depending on deals and what you're buying this in.